You. G10 is a high-pressure fiberglass laminate. It's the most abrasive material that I've ever worked with. We're using it to create a simple letter, but with a twist. For this one, we'll need a mask and adequate dust collection. This stuff is nasty, tough as nails, and it loves to eat bits. And as promised, well, here's the twist. Let's scan our clay model using this fancy 3D scanner that I'm borrowing from my friend John. Then, we'll bring our scan into Aspire for some double-sided milling. When that side is done, we'll flip it over using the dowel method and then attack the other side. I'm using a 16th inch ball nose bit and a Finishing Toolpath to carve the twist. And now, we'll slice it up, glue up the pieces, sand it, and then do some sculpting to blend it all together.